Hello YouTube, Flameman 1188 here, and I've got 6 battle packs. And then my friend here, Moistman 33, has 2 battle packs and 2 Galactic Overlords. We're going to be doing a pack opening right now. Start off, it's my first battle pack, pretty excited. Oh, this one doesn't want to open. There we go. I have Death Mosquito, Exterior Universe, Machine of Fortress, Obelisk the Tormentor, Offerings to the Doomed. I love that obelisk, that's pretty nice. Good deep battle packs today.
You're an asshole.
Pitch Black Warlord, Blizzard Dragon, nice. Creature Swap, Kachi. Is that common or is it?
It's the white rare.
White rare, yeah, that's nice. Shadow Spell, good, I needed that. There. Ducker Mobile Cannon, Goblin Elite Attack Force, Shield Crush, Witch of the Black Forest, Mystical Space Typhoon, Gillosaurus, Dark Valkyria, Raikou, nice, Pot of Greed, Big Bang Shot. Should I turn like this? Helping Robo for combat, Buster Blader, Treeborn Frog, another Gotchi. I was just about to say I didn't get any doubles yet. Shield Crush, another double. That's alright, I like those. Oh, nice. Dark Resonator, Skilled White Magician, Harpy's Feather Duster, Star, Skill Drain, and Green Kappa. That's really nice overall. I'll just look through this real quick. That's beautiful right there. Alright, and then this is my friend Moistman 33 here.
Alright, I'll start with the battle packs. Got it. Mask of Darkness, Toon Gemini Elf,
Nice.
Thabin Nightmare, Torrential Tribute, and Windstorm of Itaqua. Feeling a tour guide.
Yeah, let's get that tour guide.
Gravatic Orb, Cyber Dragon, Cloudy and Poison Cloud,
That's not
number 17 Leviathan Dragon, and Dust Tornado.
Before this.
Cyber Dragon's good. Cyber Dragon's good too.
We got one of the cards we predicted we would get.
Yeah.
We predicted Obelisk and tour guide.
I'll start on the Galactic Overlord. Bright Star Dragon, The Wacky Magic, Evital Lago Sucho, Commander of Swords, Light Ray Grepper, Phantom Bouncer, Camera Clops, Button, and Influence Dragon. Another Bright Star Dragon, Wattail Dragon, Aqua Mirror Circle, Heretic Dragon of Nebith, Light Ray Diablos, Noble Knight,
Nice.
Artorogius, that's a cool looking card.
That's really nice.
Heretic Dragon of Sue, Falling Current, and Evilsaur Darwino. Alright YouTube, that was our pack opening. Yeah, I'll go through them one more time.
That's really nice. Alright, YouTube, that was us. Flameman 1188 and Moistman 33. We're going to put this on both our channels, so if you're on one of our channels, please go to our other channel the other person's, and check out our other videos. I have 5 up right now. It's gonna be my 6th, and he's got two right now. It's gonna be his 3rd, and we're planning more. So check us out.